Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Hyundai Sonata key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a coin, and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. This common battery type is widely available. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. A clean, well-lit area is also helpful to prevent losing any small parts during the replacement. Let's get started with opening the key fob. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the physical key might emerge. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver or a coin into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can begin to separate the two halves of the key fob. Take your time and apply steady, even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing. The goal is to create a small gap. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Gently use your small screwdriver or a non-metallic tool to pry out the old CR2032 coin cell battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, matching the original orientation. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, immediately test all functions of your key fob, such as locking, unlocking, and the trunk release, to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.